Rufus boy, let me love boy, what you know. Rufus boy, let me love boy, what you know. Rufus boy, let me love boy, what you know. Rufus boy, let me love. Caught up in my tape. Don't care what you say to me, I'ma bite your feelings out. I miss you in the basement. But your brother was a good substitute.
Hey squad, welcome back to our channel.
Wow.
It's been a minute since I've said that.
Yes, it is.
So hi guys, how are you guys doing? We're doing great.
Yep.
We have so much things to update you guys
And
on.
catch up on.
Yes, we've been MIA for a little bit because, you know, again,
Life.
But we got a little discouraged with our channel. But thanks to a few viewers who has left us messages saying
Reached
that they
out to us. Yeah.
reached out to us saying they like us.
When's our next video?
When's our next video? That we're funny. They give our videos thumbs up. We're like, you know what? Let's give it a try. Even the biggest YouTubers failed. Well, I don't think we failed because, you know, we have almost 700 subscribers. But, I just got a little discouraged.
Yeah.
But today...
It happens.
Yeah, it happens. Today we are going to go around town.
Oh, I see.
Another one too. There's a gray one in the right one.
The good news about is that we got a new car, guys.
Yeah. Look, 3 rows.
Yes, guys, we got a new car.
We're going to show you guys.
Yes, we'll do a little car tour in this video. Our other car was,
She's still there.
she's still there. She belongs to Jennifer now.
But she's slowly dying.
She's slowly giving up on us, but she's still there. She's a fighter. She's a fighter.
That she is.
She's a fighter. So she's still there. I named this one Fatty.
Yeah, she named it Fatty, guys.
Fatty, yes. I named my car Fatty. And she's a Honda Pilot, 2012. She's not new, but she's new to me.
And it looks nice. Like,
Yes.
really nice.
Yes, it's like the nicest car I've ever owned.
And it does not look that it's a 2012.
No.
It doesn't. Adi is all the way back there.
Yeah.
And then me and Junior.
Yes.
And guys,
Oh yeah. So
it's
in
humongous.
In the truck, that one up there, it does not open. Like it does not open. It's broken.
And it
And then
leaks.
when I saw that,
Yeah, it
it
leaks.
leaks water when it rains. So when I saw that there was one that I actually opened, I was like, oh my god, because I love those things.
And this one, when you reverse, it has a camera.
On the up here. Yeah.
Yeah, this, to us it's new. It's legit to us. Okay?
Yeah, it's very nice.
Yeah, it's very nice. Leather seats, limited edition. It's a nice car. Like I'm saying, this is the first nice car I've ever owned.
Let me turn the camera so you guys can see.
Right, guys, the car even comes with like headphones and like
Yeah,
a
guys,
controller.
the car has 2 TVs on the head seats, and it comes with
Headrest.
headphones.
And then mine doesn't have
headrest.
one.
Yeah.
I'm just back there.
Me and Junior, and we can watch different things.
Yep.
Like, we don't have to watch the same thing. It comes with headphones, a controller.
You could watch TV, listen to music. It's a 6 CD changer, DVD.
Yeah.
It's a nice car. And now when we go to Maryland, Kayla's gonna have a space. Kayla has a seat now. Nobody has to go in the trunk.
And
Oh,
look,
damn.
you open right here. It's kind of messy in there. And it's just like little compartment, a glove box.
I go show my pretty smelly thing.
This is from Bath and Body Works. It smells good.
Yeah.
And it's so pretty.
Junior already started with the toys all over.
And then we got this steering wheel from Walmart.
Yes. $5 at Walmart.
Yes.
It was on clearance, guys. Go to the clearance section.
And it's like a grayish color.
I think it's called charcoal. All right, I think I need to tour the back.
Okay, guys. So now that we're in the back, over here we have these little TVs. There's one here, and like to put a DVD, like a CD or whatever, you have to put it here and it goes in there. And yeah, it's all these buttons. And at the side, there's this deep cup holder. Like the other day, we got Starbucks, and they got the big ones, and it fit like perfectly in here. And then there's another one, the tiny one. And yep, more down there, and then the little container here, whatever. Not container, but you know, to the things. And then this, like from the truck, it's like more like out this way, I guess, because it's like an older car. But yeah. And then yeah, same over there, same thing. And then in the back, this is how the back looks. There's like cup holders right there. And then there's cup holders, I don't know if you guys can see right, but there's cup holders down there. And yeah, and then we have that little thing in the front where you can see everything that's going on back here. So yeah.
Okay guys, so I forgot to mention my favorite part. We got heated seats.
I don't have heated seats.
No, you
No,
don't.
it's the driver.
It's only the driver and passenger. But like, you could put it on low, and then you could put it on high, and then it could be off.
Can you put just
It's
a
like
zipper?
so cool.
Yes, guys, it is.
And then we have like this thing is like, how long is it? Like 6 months, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like a thing where it has like
Satellite radio.
yeah, like there's Disney radio.
Yeah, there's like a whole bunch
a
of
whole
different.
bunch, Pandora, Spotify, and things like that.
Yeah.
And it's like radios that you can pick like of what you want to listen to. So
Yeah. It is cool. So that was our ride with us car tour.
I'm gonna show you the
There's
outside.
like a holder right there to hold the camera.
Yeah, we have to show you the outside of it. But right now we are coming somewhere where Adileni did not know. But when we pull up, let's see Adileni's reaction.
And we're going to Olive Garden because I saw Jennifer looking at videos of people eating Olive Garden pasta.
No, you know, I didn't know we were gonna come here, but I was watching people eat Olive Garden pasta.
Yes, guys, we are coming.
I was watching mukbang, but not because I knew we were even coming here,
You guys already know
which
what
is
I'm
kind of
getting.
funny.
You guys already know what I'm getting.
Guys, I look like a glazed donut.
Yes, guys, Jenny's been working a little extra. That's another thing we gotta tell you about
Yeah.
Jenny's new job. She got a better job. That
It's a good one.
it's a good one. You gotta invest in it
Yeah,
for you to
invest
see.
to make it.
Yes, you gotta. And there's no parking. I'm pretty sure they're busy. You gotta invest to make it, like she's saying.
Remember we came for
But
15?
yeah, we did come here for Jenny's 15.
We
But
did.
we are making it, and she's making it, guys. And you know, now we can treat ourselves to a few little things. And we did look up. You know, you always gotta be. We looked up the specials, and they got all you could eat stuffed pasta. Oh, guys, look, my hand's in the way. They got the all you can eat stuffed pasta for $10.99. So
I got another surgery.
you got that.
No, I didn't.
No, we're gonna, like we said, we have a lot of life updates, but
Yeah,
we'll
guys,
do
I
that.
got another surgery.
Adileni did get a second surgery.
A third surgery. This is my third surgery.
Yes.
If they made the cut longer because this time it was way deep in my hand or arm, wherever it was, but it was like behind my arteries and things like that. That's what they said. That
They had to dissect her artery. I don't know what that means, but that's
anyways.
what they had to do. So, anyways, we made it to Olive Garden.
I'm so excited.
Jenny is so excited. Jenny,
I
how
love
excited?
Wait,
Olive
can we
Garden.
just take a moment?
But like, I
My
haven't
mom
been here in a
copied
while.
my look, but I wear bigger ones than her.
Yeah. Adileni?
I don't know what she called me in my room.
Guys,
and I'm like, Mommy,
okay.
at least I didn't wear my big ones because I have a pair that are like
All right,
that
guys.
fit me all the way up here.
Look at my face. Look at Adi's face. All right. Look at my face. Look at Jenny's.
Yeah, that's not at my ankle.
Everybody says that me and Jenny are identical. That, oh my God, you guys look so much alike.
Yeah, we get that a lot.
A lot, and I don't see it. Now this
Yeah, I
one,
don't see it.
yeah, I see her and me. We look alike. Like you
Even
could,
her attitude.
Yes, you could tell that is my
Oh,
child.
we gotta tell you something that happened at school, guys.
Yes. We have a lot of life updates.
What is it called? The story time.
Story time.
Story
Tea.
time of what happened at school.
Tea. Yes, guys.
Maybe we might do a story time video.
Bro, be
Yes.
quiet. Nobody cares that you done motorcycle.
Okay.
Okay.
No,
All right,
they
guys.
just
So
make it too much
we will
noise.
see you when we get inside. Bye.
Okay, guys. So this is her. Isn't she so pretty? And look, I had to get my infinity sign somewhere. It's like a gray.
let's go seating while Jenny does that part.
Like, look at this. And it has like high wheels. It's very pretty. But like I said, we're here at Olive Garden. Wait, I'm coming. Oh wait. Okay, we got a pager. What's it called? Pager. Pager.
Grey's Anatomy.
Girl.
So guys, we got a like 15-20 minute waiting.
That's what she said?
Everybody and their mamas is at Olive Garden.
We never ever come here.
No, we don't.
And guys, if you guys didn't know, I'm lactose intolerant. But I don't care. I'm still here.
It's vibrating already.
It's vibrating.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go. Okay, that was like 2 seconds flat. It was 2 seconds.
You all enjoy. Thank you.
Thank you. Guys, it's really full.
What is it? I already know what I'm getting. Wait, is there really an all you can eat?
Yeah,
That's what I'm doing.
stuff, never ending
Where is it?
stuffed pasta.
Where? What kind of pasta is that?
Yes, guys, right? The special is never end stuffed ending.
Never ending stuffed pasta.
Never ending stuffed pasta. Girl, don't even come at me. Guys, pasta's like my favorite thing ever. Guys, Junior stayed at home.
Well,
We
I'm
will be
watching
getting
that
him
video
food when we get home because, yeah, Junior in a restaurant is a no-go.
I feel bad.
Oh, you know what? We might even do this.
What is that? What is that? Oh, you can eat whatever.
I might get him pasta here. Yeah.
Where's that at? How do you see that?
Wait, where is that? Oh, I found it.
Where?
I swear, I'm 21. That's my daughter. She's 20. That's my daughter. She's 13. I'm tatted out. 37. I just want to be fancy because I don't even like wine. To me, it tastes like rotten bread.
Oh my god. Get to sample.
Wine has alcohol.
Like I said, horrible.
Wine has alcohol.
But since it's
Yeah.
it's alcohol. But since it's for free, cheers. Thank God I'm not fancy, guys.
Guys, we're just looking at the menu. Just and there's all these here. Like
There's a thing for 11.
that. Oh my god.
It's cafe.
Okay, guys. So we ended up getting this. My mom and Ali got this. I got this one, but with Alfredo, because I don't really do red sauce. Guys, it smells good in here.
Yes, guys, it is.
Girl, that is liquor.
No, it's not.
Yes.
Lemonade. That's strawberry lemonade.
Look,
No, the liquor's on there.
that one is too. All of it, yes. All of
Well,
it.
that looks good.
This one looks pretty.
Mommy, I want salad too.
Toss that down here. And guys,
Which one's the
look at
salad
that.
for? They look the same.
I don't know.
Either one. I think it's a bigger one actually.
Nah,
But I think they're the same.
it's gonna be the smaller one.
Guys, I love crouton.
Nasty.
Tomatoes, I like tomatoes.
Nasty, nasty.
Like salad will say no tomato, no onion,
No.
You're so picky.
No, that.
I'm not picky.
No, whatever this
pepperoni,
is. That is disgusting.
banana pepper or pepperoni.
Guys, guys, look at my salad and my breadstick. Look at that big bite I
Wait, it
took.
was a jellyfish.
Oh, jellyfish is hurt.
I'm done.
How's the salad?
Guys, we have the coolest waiter
For
in the
real,
history.
Yo, when y'all come to
Guys,
Olive Garden
you
in
should say hi to
Burlington,
the
North
vlog.
Carolina, remember what's his name? Charles.
Charles.
Please.
We should tell him about our vlog. Guys, this is amazing. Oh, I love Olive Garden.
Guys, I feel bougie when I come to a restaurant and they don't give me paper. Oh,
Yes,
this one
look.
This is disgusting. Who wants this? Here's your
We'll be back.
Wait, I want one.
That would taste like shrimp.
Guys, look at our food. This has scallops and shrimp, and it's
It tastes like
stuffed. They got that.
What? It tastes like shrimp. Why do I think these food look like
Salad,
yucas? These
breadsticks.
look like yucas.
But oh my god, I got a different one than theirs. I'm about to try it. Oh my god.
Okay.
How is it?
Not good.
Okay guys, I haven't tried it. I got a stuffed shell. And scallop shrimp. Oh my god. Let's do a shrimp.
Bro, that could have been mom's eating, daddy eating.
Guys, this is like our second time at Olive Garden.
I'm not gonna cry.
Guys, so for signing up with their app, you get a free appetizer. I don't know what this is, but if
These
you're at
are
Olive Garden,
lasagna, something fritters, cheese sticks, calamari.
if you go to Olive Garden, sign up for the app a day before. You get that.
Okay, so Ali's trying calamari
It's squid, right?
for the first time ever.
I promise you, it tastes good.
Why am I so scared like I'm really scared?
You know I'm picky with my food. I'm eating good crap and this is good.
She's gonna like it.
It tastes good. You can't even tell.
It's like onion rings.
The breading. The breading has flavor.
I'm so sorry.
You like it?
I'm sorry. I feel bad.
You like it?
Look, the whole body.
Guys, look at this.
I'm so sorry.
Like, what?
Bro, I already feel my stomach. going
Second
down.
plate. Second
My
plate.
stomach is already pulling down.
Second plate.
When I start to, that's how when I start to get full. I don't feel it, but my stomach starts to go out.
They're full.
I'm not full.
Ali says she's not full. I know you're full.
I see it.
Guys, the cheese is the burrito sauce is kind of thick, so it coats your stomach faster.
Just like the car.
So I'm cool. Yeah, I'm about to
And our waitress is like
tap out, and this is basically my second plate.
Guys, this is my favorite.
I don't really like. I like this one, but I don't really like it. But that one,
I like this one.
the one that Jennifer.
I don't really like this one.
So switch.
You want to switch?
Oh, guys. A waiter, Charles, brought them their toppings. They ate it before they got their pasta.
I did no such thing.
I couldn't help it. And
I only
plus,
had 2 shrimps.
You ate our topping too.
I didn't eat your
No,
topping.
she didn't.
I didn't touch it.
I only had 2 scallops.
Yeah.
It was only like 3 portions and like 3 scallops.
Ali.
Guys, look at that.
I don't like scallops, so the other scallop wasn't me.
Guys, that's how you know that this is cheesy.
Guys, look at this poor squid.
She's still with the good.
Like, that's it. Look, the chemical. How do you say it?
Stop
Stop playing with it.
Cheese everywhere.
Guys, I'm off of the camera. I'm done.
Guys, I'm
Don't come around
sad.
tonight.
Like, oh my god.
Guys, I don't know how when I go to the Chinese buffet, I can eat like a champ. Olive Garden?
Not me. I can't even eat like that.
Because it's thick and there's salad, there was bread,
Tomorrow,
there was
Thursday.
appetizers. Guys, I'm stuffed.
Guys.
We brought some food to eat later on.
We brought some salad.
Yes.
We brought some breadsticks.
He gave us soda.
Gave us sodas.
Like
to
we have
go.
the best food. Waiter.
Server, yeah.
Server, yeah.
Yeah.
He was so cool.
And y'all see our bill was only $33.
He really hooked us up.
He hooked up a sister. That's why I say to Jenny and Andy, you always gotta be nice to people, because like I talk to everybody and I'm not friendly with everybody, and that's happened to us a lot. I'd be talking nice to the waitress, to the waiter, and they'd be nice back.
He was throwing
Which way?
shade like no other.
Yeah, he said the 4 hostesses in the front, all 4 of them together don't make a full brain.
Yeah, they're just too worried
Recto
about putting the
aquí.
pestañas puestas.
I mean, but low key is kind of true because we called our head in.
Yeah.
Right, and when we walked out, we noticed all of them had fake eyelashes on, or pestañas,
Yeah.
or whatever you call it.
Guys, I'm so full.
Along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song.
Okay, guys. So remember at the beginning of the video, we told you that Jennifer had like a little hustle, a job, little side hustle kind of thing. So this is it, guys. Ta-da! Okay, guys, right now it's a little messy because today in the morning we had a lot of customers, and
Yesterday was busy.
busy. So basically what we did, me and Jenny's dad, we took a little bit of money, we invested it in like little liquidation pallets, little storage units that people are selling like on Facebook Market and stuff. So we invested a little bit of money in that, and we got, what's it called, Jenny? Jars and Treasures.
Yeah, Jars and Treasure.
It's Jenny's store. So I'm gonna give you a little tour. All this is new stuff. I actually paid for this stuff, and she doesn't really make a lot off of it. She makes a few bucks here and there off of it, but she does it all week. People are messaging her, do you have this, do you have that? Or every time we get new stuff, she posts it on her page, and people are like this. Some stuff she's had it up maybe like 5 minutes, and people already asking her about it, because you know, that's why I said we invest a little bit to get a little bit. So this is it. We can show you our store.
And we brought some shelves.
Yeah. So this is like all this stuff, like I said, is new.
It's a little messy
It's a
because
little
we had a
messy.
busy day.
Yeah. So, and this is Jenny's drink cup. Don't know what it's doing there.
I had it in the car.
And Junior's drink cup. Don't know what it's doing there neither. So right here we have, like, it's basically, it's organized.
See, somebody put a cup up there.
Yeah, the cups go down here.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is like our aisle over here. Our first shelf is like picture frames, little decorations for your wall.
Coasters, lamps.
Yeah, coasters, lamps, mirrors. This is a mirror, guys. It says press here, and you can see it turns on. It's for like a locker. We got like the little lamps
From Target.
from Target. We got a little coasters.
Different coasters.
These are hard, like ceramic. And then we have more coasters here with their
Christmas
little
coasters.
box. And over here we have like precious moment stuff, more wall decor, hats. All this stuff is new. None of it is used. Then here we have like household stuff, like little lunch boxes. These lunch boxes are very good. They're expensive and good. And then we have,
Yeah, they're like $10 a piece.
guys, I wanted to buy one of these for myself. It's a watermelon thing. All you do is cut it in half, push it in, and you got little perfect chunks of watermelon. Somebody wanted to see it, so they opened it.
Yeah.
And they even wanted
And
to
they
take
ripped
it.
the box.
And they ripped the box. But it's okay. It's still
We
in-
sold one of them already.
Yeah, we sold one. Sold them for like, what, $4?
Uh-huh.
$4, right? Yeah.
We sell pizza cutters. I sold 2 yesterday.
And this is like to like froth up your milk. or beat eggs to like spoon meat consistency. That's what this is. So we have can openers and
Pizza
stuff.
cutters.
Pizza cutters, like shower curtains. Over here we have brand new. See, they're brand new. All this stuff is new. Rugs and bags and bows. Here we have like newborn baby diapers.
Down here.
Down there we have like speakers, curtains, bathroom curtains,
computer stuff, shoes.
Here we have all
cups.
these nice water bottles, brand new water bottles, and cups and things and jars, and all this is brand new, never
Plates.
used. This is brand new. I thought this was cool if you go camping. It's a kettle. Like, that's insane.
Okay,
Silicone.
and right here is filled of bags, purses. Look. Brand new. Brand new, look. $34.99. And what? We're selling for $8.
Yep. Okay, guys, so here we have like phone cases, chargers, and everything. This is all I paid. All of this I paid for it, and we're selling it. You know, there's all different kinds. And then this is like some kid stuff. Okay, so you have here are assorted of things. These like beach balls, goggles
Summer
for the
things.
summer, kid stuff. Like I said, dog stuff, chains, toys, baby stuff,
Hardy supplies.
bags, candle holders.
And we already sold. I sold one yesterday, a bag.
Look, this, guys. This is the cutest.
I want to keep that.
I want to keep it too, but no. It's for the store.
So cute.
And then, like, you know, odds and ends stuff.
face
Yeah,
masks?
makeup stuff, face mask,
Yeah.
more baby stuff.
Face mask for your butt.
Yeah. And then we have, like, clothes.
Yeah, we have bins of clothes. People been going through it, so it's all out everywhere.
Yeah, like
Yeah.
This is new, guys. This is for your hair. It came with a pack of 2. I have the other one for my hair.
So then, here we have this. And this is a mess right here because I told Alberto to inflate them a little bit. So, because, you know, summer's coming. So I told him inflate it a little bit so that people could see they actually work.
Yeah.
We sold 2 already. We sold
Well, I sold a cowboy one.
2 cowboy ones.
Yeah, and then I sold inflatable chair.
Yeah, Jenny sold an inflatable chair. And this is like socks and underwear. That's all
Bathing
brand
suits,
new.
all brand new.
Never used. And are you going to show them over there? Follow us when.
We got some toys. There were some people here earlier and they were looking through the toys. They brought a lot.
And this is our other section.
This is of our used items.
Yeah, this is used items. This is like cups and cups.
People don't really buy
Everything.
stuff.
Plates.
Oh, one more thing I wanted to tell you. Okay, I'm Squad. So this is the end of the video. I know you're probably just like, why are you wearing makeup? I know, right? I'm just learning how to put fake eyelashes on, and I think I did okay. But, because Jennifer literally just walked in my room. She was like, Adi, do an outro. And I was literally over there listening to my music and putting eyelashes on. And she came in when one of them were off. So, yeah. But tell me down below, comment down below. I don't know if you guys can comment, but if you can, tell me which one is better. This one's like a purple and pinkish one. And then this one's like a bluish. I don't even know. But, yeah, make sure you guys give this video a huge thumbs up. Like, comment, subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Like, you need to subscribe. Like, if you don't subscribe, what are you even doing here? But anyways, bye, M Squad. Love you guys.
Bye, M Squad. Don't forget to subscribe.
And don't forget to turn on the little bell. Ding ding ding.
Like, comment, and share, guys.
Time is barely